We got a little rain shower happening here today. Here's outside the front of the house. Here's our street. I guess it's too much rain for this guy. Seems like he pulled over. That little car can't handle this rain, I guess. Here's the sidewalk. I'm trying to delay to see if a car can come driving by. Here we go. Look at this SUV. Looks like the bus is floating down a river. We'll go inside, see what's happening. There's a taxi coming by. So I'm back in here. A lot quieter here. Still a lot of rain though. There's my wife staying dry. The pool is almost overflowing. I don't know what happened to the, wow. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's steam coming off the pool. The pool was pretty warm. It's been pretty hot here the last couple of weeks, like 34, 35 degrees. And the pool is getting pretty hot. And now with this rain, it's cooling down. But yeah, there is steam coming off the pool. And it's really full. And the temperature is going to be way down. It's going to take ages to get back up for my high standards of nice water in which to swim. And the stupid thing is, it's not even supposed to rain. This is, what are we? Early May. It's not supposed to rain for like another month or something. So I don't know why it's raining so much, but It rains in paradise too. The weather is good here all year round, but today